and way delicious. It's Wendy's.
Gibson's Finest Canadian Whiskey is not the official sponsor of Croquet. Gibson's Finest, official sponsor of the CFL.
Closed captioning of the CFL on TSN is brought to you by Sport Check. When you're in the zone, time almost stands still. Getting into the zone begins with Sport Check. Sport Check, the power of sport. Well, we played 10.5 minutes, and we've got ourselves a football game.
And some big plays already. The Eskimo offense going deep. Stephen Logan with the touchdown to get his game started. Ian Smart with a huge return. Don't forget the Edmonton Eskimos have a pretty good returner back there as well, and Christian Jackson.
Logan looks amped on the sidelines as he gets his third.